Welcome to my channel, my name is Boy, and today we will unbox and have a closer look at the MOZA Slypod Pro. Let's jump right into it. Opa. Here we go. Very nice bag, can tell right away. The material feels good. You can bring anywhere you want. I think you can like strap if you want to. Little zippers. As you can see, here's the base. Very big, but it's very strong. The head have a little velcro. That's the Slypod. And here inside, manual, charger, USB-C to USB. So this thing that you just saw right now was not real because I already used it and I already did a video about how to do B-roll, but here we are. Very nice. I love this. The battery here, it's a little bit heavier. Have this base here. Very nice. Let me see if I can show you on the other angle, like here. Boom. Very strong. You can put on a base. Boom. It's gonna be very sturdy. And there is this lock system here. If you press and you move around, it's a nice feature because it's a electronic monopod. So I think it's very sick that they do that, and locks back in place as well. And you can fold and bada bing bada boom. Self-defense. Can I lock this here too? Yeah. If you twist this, you will lock and it's not gonna go anywhere. And you unlock. Now it's very fluid. Very strong. Like that a lot. It is a little bit bigger, but I guess because this one needs to be something very steady because your equipment is going here. This head, amazing. I love this fluid head. It's so soft and nice. I'm gonna unscrew this. Satisfying. Amazing. No sound, nothing. Very soft, very fluid. And if you're gonna go back in place, boom, screw this back in. Very nice looking as well. Here on the bottom, you can put the other adapters and you can put in a regular tripod, or you can screw this and put on a big ones. Very nice. So cool. And then here, you unlock this. You're able to do this side too. Lock. And the plate, I love this. Unscrew, the plate come out. Very simple, very easy. You do need a little something to screw this on the back, but not a problem because after it's there, it's very nice. Wish that I had more of those so everything is like the same, you know what I mean? I always need to keep switching heads and it takes a long time, but amazing fluid head. Screw just like this. Bing. Super cool. Here on the other side, we will have different holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can mount anywhere you want. Usually I put one tripod on this side and one tripod on this other side as well, because it can be a little bit heavier. And as you can see here, 1, 2, 3 hands like this, or you can mount like the little tripod base as well. You can do that too. I do that sometimes. Here we can see charger, USB-C, and here on the other side we have up and we have down. Self-explanatory. If you press this, the monopod is gonna up, and if you press this again, it will change the speed faster and faster, and that's it. And if you press down, it's gonna go down, and then if you press, it's gonna faster, and that's it. Very simple. I love the material up and down. Here we have the power button as well, which is press and hold. Everything is gonna be on. Double. If you press twice, it's gonna be a stop. So if it's in movement, you just tick and it's gonna stop in the place that you want. 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it's gonna return to the base. It's gonna light this and it's gonna be blinking and it's gonna go back all the way until it's in this foldable position. Very nice piece of gear, especially for time lapse. Amazing. B-rolls, personal assistant, like I show in the other video. It's definitely my new personal assistant because I always have to ask for some helps with my wife. So that's it. Very cool. I don't need to bug anyone, and then you can do movements horizontally and vertically. Love it. And with the app, you can go even slower and doesn't make any sound. It's amazing, and you can unlock a lot of features. Like I said, you can use with the MOZA Aircross 3. You can sync those two together. You're gonna make amazing stuff. Link is gonna be down below, and it is an affiliate link, so I will get a little commission if you purchase, and you'll be able to support my channel as well. So, thank you very much for watching this video. Leave your like to tell the algorithm that this video was helpful. Leave your comment down below if you think that this product is fuego, and I'll see you in the next video.